project is to make a video game. To make a video game we need three things: the Chrome browser, HTML markup language, JavaScript programming language. Chrome works like a sketchbook, upon which we can display pictures, videos and many other things. For example, with HTML we can create shapes and text. With JavaScript we can change the shapes or create new ones. First, with HTML we will create a canvas where our game can run. Then with JavaScript we'll create our character and give life to our game.